Hello students, good morning, afternoon, or evening to you all. My name is Andrea Ray Laguerta, majoring in Bachelor in Elementary Education, 3rd level, taking TTL1 Section C, and I will be your teacher for today. Our topic for today is seasons and climate in the Philippines. This is a two-part series. This is the part 1. Are you all ready? Let's start. Let us get to know our objectives. For our objectives, we have the knowledge, the skills, and the attitude or affective. For the knowledge, describe the different seasons in the Philippines. Explain how weather and climate patterns affect human activities and daily life. For the skill, you have to identify and observe key weather elements using appropriate tools and online resources. For the affective or attitude, to appreciate that weather patterns are largely predictable and can be scientifically understood. So for our objective for today, we will be focusing more on the knowledge and the attitude. The skills and attitude will be for the part 2 of our discussion. So do you have any idea what are the two seasons we have here in the Philippines? In the next few minutes, we'll discover our country's two special seasons and how they shape our lives. Let's go! Before we get to know our seasons, let us first differentiate between weather and the climate. So for the weather, it is short term or a day or a week. For the weather, it is usually focused on the specific area or a local area. And it is current and can be predicted condition, so like a daily forecast for today's weather. And it affects your daily plans and what to wear. For the climate, it is usually a long term, meaning the long term is a year or a decade. The weather patterns and conditions for a large region over many years, that is the climate, and it is measured by seasonal average and the frequency of extremes. It also affects your typical wardrobe and the activities that are common in your area. For us to learn, we should first locate the Philippines. Is it here? I think we are getting very close. Have located the Philippines. You may ask, teacher, why did we have to locate the Philippines? So that is because the Philippines is near the equator. Our climate is tropical. This means we only have two major seasons, the dry season and the wet season. Let us start with the dry season. Dry season. This is where usually we have water shortages, and we call this El Nino. And this is because of the amihan. So how does this affect our daily life? We usually have outdoor activities during this season, and it is also the peak tourist season, and it is often associated with harvest seasons by the farmers. We have the cool dry season from December to February, and the hot dry season from March to May. From November to May, we get lots of sunshine and very little rain. We often call March to May summer because it's the hottest time of the year, perfect for going to the beach. During the dry season, it is very advisable to wear sun protection and to always drink water for hydration and wear light clothing. Let us now proceed to the wet season. The wet season, this is when the southeast monsoon or habagat brings clouds and plenty of rain. It's also when we expect typhoons or bagyo to visit the country, so expect flooding and landslide. Our farmers depends on the wet seasons to plant rice at the start because this is where the crops needs lots of water. We expect the wet season from June to November, a rainy season. July to October is the typhoon season. This is because of the habagat. So students, please prepare your rain gear during this season. And please monitor your health and hygiene so to avoid being sick. And if the unexpected happens, buyag-buyag, so we need to prepare our emergency kit. So we've learned about the wet and dry seasons and how they affect our daily lives. But how do we know when a typhoon is coming? And how can we check the weather for tomorrow? That's where science comes in, and also technology. Join me in our next video where we'll become weather detectives. See you there. Thank you for listening, students. See you at the next video.